What's going on? So today we got a video from On Scene Cam, and the title of the video is Traffic Stop Turns Chaotic, Then Girlfriend Makes It 10 Times Worse. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about.
Watch how this woman thought she could stop police from citing her boyfriend during a traffic stop.
What the fuck did you pull me off? You just see me coming out of work.
I need to see your insurance.
Man, I ain't got no insurance.
You don't have insurance?
Touch me. Don't fucking touch me!
On March 19th, 2025, officers pulled over a gray Jeep Wrangler with a fully tinted windshield. The driver immediately became upset and began yelling at officers. As the stop continued, his girlfriend arrived in a blue Dodge Charger Hellcat and walked straight toward the Jeep. Despite repeated commands to stay back, she continued to approach. When officers attempted to detain her, she resisted, pulled away, and fell onto the curb before being handcuffed. Let's take a closer look.
719, step it up.
You just see me coming out of work,
Okay.
man.
Hey man, I stopped you for the tinted windshield.
Man, it ain't this. Fuck you mean it ain't my car?
Okay.
And it's legal tint,
I'm
man.
Officer Koparski with Champaign Police.
No, ain't no fuck that. What the fuck did you pull me off? You just see me coming out of work.
Okay. I'm Officer Koparski with Champaign Police.
Goofy ass shit. No, this pussy motherfucker just see me coming out of work.
Okay. The reason why I stopped you was because of the tinted windshield.
Man, they legal.
Okay.
Stop every motherfucker in.
Okay. I need to see your driver's license, proof of insurance.
Fuck wrong with your bitch ass? And I don't let me be late.
Okay.
Let me be late.
I need to see your driver's license and proof of insurance.
Yeah. Yeah. You's a bitch.
Okay.
Yeah, I ain't got it. This ain't my fucking car.
Okay.
Just see me coming out of work.
Slow it down. He's just very agitated.
Jazz, man. Let me be motherfucking late. And motherfucking tent's leaving.
Okay. I need to see your insurance.
Man, I ain't got it. Man, you a rookie
Yeah,
ass
he's just very agitated.
Jazz. Man, the tent's like all the cars roll past.
Okay. All right. I need to see your insurance.
Man, I ain't got no insurance.
You don't have insurance? Okay.
Yes, man. I'm on my motherfucking break. I come out the you just see me come out of grass.
Okay. All right. Do you have insurance on?
Yeah, I got insurance.
Can you stop yelling?
Man, I ain't yelling shit. Fuck you.
Okay. You are yelling. All right.
You just see me come out of grass. I'm on my motherfucking lunch break. You talking about some shit.
Okay. Why don't you just shut the car off?
I ain't shutting shit off. I ain't got to.
Okay. All right. So here's the deal. When my other officers get here, I'm gonna have you step out. Okay.
For what?
Because you're being very agitated.
Man, because you pulled me over for nothing.
Okay. All right, ma'am, stay in your car. Stay in your car.
This is my car.
Okay.
I'm not by you. This is my car. This is her car.
That's her car, man.
This
Okay.
is my car.
You need to go back
I'm
up
giving
there.
you the insurance card. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't fucking touch me.
Dude, I'll walk up on. I don't care. You don't walk up on a traffic stop when we tell you not to.
Okay, but what are you doing? The man, whoever said, he said, ask for the insurance card. I'm coming to give you the insurance card.
Okay, when we get to that point, we'll get to that point. When we tell you to stop walking up to a car, you stop walking up to a car.
I wasn't by the car.
No, yeah, 749.
We told you to stop walking up.
Can you?
All right. I got to rewind it. Because I want to hear the officer say, stop walking up or whatever. Something to that effect. Because if the officer did not say that, I mean, I don't see the problem. I get it. I understand. He's on a traffic stop or whatever, but she's coming in peace. I mean, she's not a threat. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know when a threat, you know. So if it's her vehicle and she's trying to come and she's explaining that, hey, you asked for the insurance, yeah, I'm here to give you the insurance, you know. But I want to hear the officer say, hey, stop walking up, you know what I'm saying, or whatever, stay back. I got to hear that, you know what I'm saying, because that's going to sway my decision on what I think is, what I think is going on here, because I need to hear that, man.
Because you pulled me over for nothing.
Okay. All right, ma'am, stay in your car. Stay.
Okay. All right. Stay in your car. Stay. She keeps approaching.
Stay in
Okay.
your car.
3 times.
I'm not by you. This is my car. This is her car.
That's her car, man.
Okay, you need to go back
I'm
up
giving
there.
you the insurance card. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't fucking touch me. Don't touch me.
The other guy was a little aggressive, but he did say, stay in your car, stay back, or whatever. But this guy right here, he is a little aggressive. It's not like she pulling up, I mean, but he did say what he had to say. I gotta run it back one more time, because I gotta see and gotta get a full understanding. I think the other guy did jump the gun a little
stay in
bit,
your car.
but
Stay in your
she
car.
isn't following instructions.
Okay.
I'm not by you. This is my car. This is her car.
That's her car, man.
Okay, you need to go back
I'm
up
giving
there.
you the insurance card. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't fucking touch me.
See, because here's the thing, and I'm gonna let it go. I gotta give my opinion real quick. She didn't listen, right? He says stay in the car, whatever. She keeps moving forward. She's in the wrong. Okay. When she comes close, she went at a reasonable distance and she stopped. She didn't keep moving forward. You know what I'm saying? She is behind the cop, but the cop is bladed so he could see, right? And the other guy kind of comes and jumps the gun a little bit or whatever. But she is in the wrong. I don't see her as a threat, but she isn't following instructions. So
I don't care. You don't walk up on a traffic stop when we tell you not to.
Okay, but what are you doing?
the cop isn't wrong for that.
Whoever said, he said, ask for the insurance card. I'm coming to give you the insurance card.
Okay, when we get to that point, we'll get to that point. When we tell you to stop walking up to a car, you stop walking up to a car.
I wasn't by the car.
No, yeah, 749.
We told you to stop walking up.
Can you?
The cop isn't wrong. He not wrong.
No, I need my shoes on.
You will get in our car. We're walking over here right now. Your shoes are staying.
I haven't even done anything.
You got anything on you you need to know about?
No.
Okay, we're going to patch you down real quick before I put you in.
You're not supposed. Where's the woman at?
Okay,
It's
I'm
not-
using the back of my hand. He's going to do the same thing on that side. He's going to use the back of his hand. All right. Go and take a seat. Slide your feet in.
I've never been in. I am claustrophobic. Can I just sit like?
No.
Windshields can't have any tint on them, obviously.
I bought my car
aftermarket
like
tint.
that. I've
That's
had
how
my
it
car
was.
like that for years. I've never been pulled over.
I'm on my lunch break, man. I had 30 minutes. I got to be back by 10, man. That's all I was saying, sir. You pulled me over for tinted windows. Come on, that's
So the reason for the stop was the windshield tint. You can only have tint on the top 6 inches.
It's not tinted. Go get your thing. It's not tinted, sir. It's not tinted.
It's so dark I can't see through the front.
But it's not tinted. I'm telling you, it came from the dealership. Like, it's not tinted. The only thing it got is this little black piece right there. That's it.
Okay. All right. Do you have insurance on you?
Yeah, she's giving you the insurance, sir. Sir, this is like ridiculous, man. I got license insurance. You can search the car. You do whatever you want to do. All I'm saying is, man, come on, bro. You just see me come out of crap. I was on my lunch break, man. You pulled me over for some tinted windows, bro. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on.
Tints is a bullshit ticket. I mean, it's a bullshit stop. You know what I'm saying? It is a bullshit stop. Like, I've been pulled over for tints. Every car I've had has had tints. It's always a bullshit. You know, it is what it is. It's bullshit. You know what I'm saying? But, you in the wrong. You know what I'm saying? You know you got the tints. You know they a little dark. You know what I'm saying? But it is bullshit ticket. You know what I'm saying? But when you have tints, you become a red flag. You know what I'm saying? You know, and some guys can really get on that. Most cops don't stop you for it. But if they bored that day and they want to give out a fix-it ticket or whatever, the tint ticket, whatever, you know, there ain't nothing going on. You know what I'm saying? It's 9 o'clock in the morning. Look, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. They gung-ho. They just got on shift. You know, it is what it is, but you can't argue it because I could look at the side, the door windows and stuff. I could see that they're dark. They are dark. You know what I'm saying? Like, maybe not the front windshield, whatever, but you know, the tints is illegal. You know what I'm saying? And by you saying, oh, I bought it like that or whatever. Yeah, but the person that you bought it from could have had it like that and could have been illegal. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, you know, you ain't really got a dog in you ain't really got a fight in it. You know what I mean? But last thing, and then I'm gonna let it rock. By you, even though you frustrated, you can't come out the gate with that hooting and hollering shit. You know, the officer, he just walked up to the door in the beginning. You know what I'm saying? When he first got there, it's already, you see me, I'm getting off work, I'm, this, this is bullshit, I ain't got no insurance, how do you think reacting like that is going to help you in this situation? It's not. You better off with tints. They got two options. They could give you, you know, the real ticket, or they could give you the fix-it ticket, or whatever the case may be. The fix-it ticket is pretty much, you know, if you get it fixed, boom, by your court date or whatever the case may be, boom, it'll get dismissed or whatever the case may be. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not that big of a deal. It's tints, bro. You know what I'm saying? I know it's frustrating, but you can't come off at the cops like that. That's not, no. That ain't gonna help you.
Push on me on my lunch break, man. Come on, man. He see me, come on,
So she has your insurance card?
This is her car. She has the insurance, sir. Could y'all please not take my girl to jail, man? Please, could y'all do that for me, man? I was upset with you, sir, because you see me come out of crap. I'm on my lunch break. I got to be back at 10. I'm like, when you got behind me, I'm like, I'm good. You know what I'm saying? Then you say the 10. I'm like, come on, everybody around you.
So if she has insurance, your insurance, I'll try to get that from her.
Yeah.
Okay?
Man, could you please not
hang
back?
tight. You have his insurance.
You wouldn't let me get it.
Okay, he's saying that you have it, so I'm just asking.
It's not on me, just like I told McDonald. It's in the car. I was going to get the insurance. He doesn't know where it's at because it's my car.
Where's it at in the car? So
It's in the. You can't get it either because it's locked.
I'm gonna have him get it.
Take the key, and you have to unlock the what you call it to get it. And if it's not in there,
the glove box.
Yeah.
Or is it center console?
No.
The glove box.
Yeah. And if it's not in there, then it's on my phone.
Okay. And what's your last name?
Winfrey.
Can you spell that for me?
Winfrey.
And your first name?
Tashana.
Can you spell that?
Tashonna.
Oanna.
Onna.
And your middle initial?
S.
And your date of birth?
Right here on the side. Like on this.
Where at?
It just hurts on my left side.
Do you want an ambulance to come check you out, make sure you're okay?
No, it just hurt where I feel it.
Okay. I can have one come look.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay, thank you.
All right, man. Hand your ID back. So you're going to be issued a citation today. Okay, it's going to just be for the windshield tint. So you only have tint on the top 6 inches of your windshield, just not the full windshield. You can dispute all that in court if it's not your car and things like that.
What's it? How much the ticket is?
So it should be $165.
$165.
So you can plead guilty or not guilty. There's instructions on how to do that on the back. If you wish to go to court, your court date is right here, 4/21/25 at 9 a.m. and that's the address.
How long do I got to pay it?
It should be on the back here. There's a.
I want to apologize for you, man. It's just I apologize.
That's all right. I know you were frustrated.
Yeah, man, because I don't want to get pulled over on my lunch break, man. I like my job, man. I ain't trying to, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Okay. Well, you're free to go. So you can get back to work, okay?
All right, man.
All right.
Y'all gonna buy me lunch?
I can't buy you lunch. Hey, so on the stop out here, I had a female walk up on us, and so we detained her. As we were trying to detain her, she slipped out of her shoes and fell back onto a curb. And we all just went to the ground backwards. She says she has some pain in her hip or whatever. I just wanted to see if what your thoughts were on that for use of force wise. Said he wants to do a use of force on it.
Okay.
Since we were grabbing onto her as she fell.
Okay. I would say, to me,
I'm just gonna MTA her then.
that's what I would
case.
do personally. This is what's going to get this
Yeah, I'll just
activity
document
to
everything.
stop.
Yep.
So
I'm gonna add that
you could probably pull up,
Yeah.
pull in behind you, and then we'll break that out, and then we'll go from there.
Notice to appear.
I have your stuff up here. Okay, so you're gonna be getting a notice to appear in court. Okay, it's gonna be for obstructing or resisting a peace officer. It's just because you walked up on a traffic stop and we had to detain you.
In the end, Maurice was cited for the tinted windshield violation. His girlfriend, Tashana Winfrey, was issued a state notice to appear for obstructing, resisting a peace officer, and she also received her own citation for a tinted windshield. Was she standing up for her boyfriend, or did her actions only escalate the situation further? As always, all individuals are presumed innocent.
Yeah, I mean, tent tickets is such bullshit, bro. Like, where I'm at, they don't even... They used to, like, years ago. Like I said, I've been pulled over for tent plenty of times. You know what I'm saying? But these past few years, nah. Like, I feel like after maybe, like, around... After COVID, I feel like tent, they don't really... It's typically you doing something else, like maybe you blow a stop sign or you run a red light or you speeding or something like that. Like, it's normally something else that catches their attention, and then they tackle the tent on top of it. You know what I'm saying? Or they won't hit you with what they really could hit you with. They just gonna give you a tent ticket instead. You know what I'm saying? It's like one of those things. Like, just straight up tent. Like, you literally just pulling somebody over just for tent. Nah, they don't really do that no more. Like, unless they must be real bored. You know what I'm saying? They must be real bored, okay? But yeah, she was in the wrong. You know, and the cops had to do what they had to do. You know what I'm saying? They had to do what they had to do. But even them giving her a tent ticket on the blue car that she got, it's like, you just throwing extra on top of that. Like, it's just like, come on, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's like, come on, man. But she was in the wrong. You know what I'm saying? And he was in the wrong too for all that hooting and hollering, bro. You don't come off like that. That's not, cause tent, it's such a bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Like, just like, what's the other ticket that they could give? You know how you put the air freshener on the mirror and stuff. They call it's obstruction of view or something like that. Whatever. You know, they could give you little tickets like that. It's little bullshits. You know what I'm saying? It is stuff that they could give you a ticket for, but it's bullshit. You know what I mean? So, but you always better off coming off nice to the officers than coming off like an asshole. You know what I'm saying? And as soon as he walked up, all of a sudden, blah, 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 blah. Like, come on, dog. And now at the end, I apologize. Like, come on. Don't act like an asshole. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, I give the officers, man, I give them a 3 out of 5. They did what they had to do, whatever. Yeah, 3 out of 5. Let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.